Good afternoon. Next is Unit 3, PIC, Microcontroller Architecture, PIC 18F Microcontroller Architecture. So in this topic we have to cover the points like comparison of PIC family, criteria for choosing a microcontroller, features, PIC 18 architecture with generalized block diagram, MCU program and data memory organization, bank selection using a bank select register, pinout diagram, reset operation, watchdog timer, configuration register, oscillator options, power down mode, brief summary of peripheral support and overview of the instruction set.
Try Les Mills on demand.
So first we will see the introduction. So PIC 16, or we can say PIC 16 is considered a PIC 16 series. So PIC 16 series microcontroller have been around for many years. Although these are excellent general purpose microcontrollers and they have certain limitations. For example, the program and data memory capacitances are limited, the stack is small and the interrupt structure is primitive. So all interrupt sources are sharing the same interrupt vector. PIC 16 series microcontroller also do not provide a direct support for advanced peripheral interfaces such as USB, CAN bus, etc. And the interfacing with such a devices is not easy. So the instruction set for this microcontroller is also limited. For example, there are no multiplication or division instructions and branching is rather simple, being a combination of skip and go to instruction. So Microchip Inc. has developed the PIC18 series of microcontroller for the use in high pin count, high density and complex applications. The PIC18F microcontroller offers the cost-efficient solutions for a general purpose applications written in C that use a real-time operating system, that is RTOS, and it require a complex communication protocol stacks such as TCP, IP, CAN, USB or ZigBee. PIC18F device provide a flash memory, program memory in size from 8 to 128 KB and the data memory from 256 to 4 KB, operating at the range of 20 to 50 volt at a speed from DC to 40 MHz. So the Harvard architecture, the von Neumann architecture and Harvard architecture. The diagram for these two architectures are shown here. Von Neumann architecture, it fetches the instruction and data from a single memory space and limits operating bandwidth. Harvard architecture, it uses two separate memory spaces for program instruction and data, and improved operating bandwidth allows for a different bus width. Then PIC18F microcontroller families. So PIC microcontrollers are designed using the Harvard architecture, which include microprocessor unit, that is MPU, program memory for the instruction, data memory for the data, input output ports, and it support a device such as timers. So the microcontroller with Harvard architecture diagram is shown here. It consists of MPU, that is MPU means microprocessor unit, and the program memory, data memory, input output port and support devices. So before going to the memory part, we will see the features of PIC18F series microcontroller. So the basic features of this microcontroller are it consists of 77 instructions, PIC16 source code compatible, the program memory addressing up to 2 megabytes, data memory addressing up to 4 kilobytes, the high current that is 25 milliampere sync source capability, up to 5 capture compare PWM modules, the master synchronous serial port module, up to 2 USART module, parallel slave port. So PIC18F memory, the program memory is 32K, address range is given and it consists of 16-bit register. Data memory is 4K, program memory 32K, data memory is 4K. So address range is given here and it is a 8-bit registers. Then data EEPROM, so not the part of the data memory space and address through a special function registers. Next is the PIC18F MCU, that is microprocessor unit and memory. So here is a diagram which consists of ALU and registers, the 21-bit address bus, 16-bit instruction or data bus, 12-bus address bus, and 8-bit data bus. It is connected to the 16-bit program memory and 8-bit data memory. It also consists of control unit where read and write lines are connected. So design a microcontroller with the specifications given here. If we design where the counter registers are located, so in our design we have to show where the working registers are located. We have to design the with given specifications. This is one more problem for designing purpose. Then the next is microprocessor. Unit. So before going to the microprocessor unit, some features we have to see that it has a fast 10-bit analog to digital converter, programmable low voltage module, programmable power on reset, power on timer, and oscillator startup timer and washed up timer with on-chip RC oscillator in circuit programming. So in addition, some microcontroller in the PIC18F family offer the following features like direct CAN 2.0 bus interface, direct USB 2.0 bus interface, direct LED control interface, TCP IP interface, ZigBee interface, direct motor control interface. So comparison of the PIC series. The most devices in the PIC18F family are the source compatible with each other. So there are some characteristics of some of the popular devices in 18X2 microcontroller family. The architecture of most of the other microcontrollers in the PIC18F family are similar. So the reader may be familiar with the applications and programming of the PIC16. So before going to the details of PIC18, we have to compare the features of PIC18F series with those of the 16F. So the similarities between PIC16 and 18F are similar package and pinout, and second similarity is similar special function register names and the function similar peripheral devices. So the program memory, first feature is program memory. For PIC18F 242 it is 16K, for 252 it is 32K, for 442 it is 16K, and for 452 it is 32K. Then the next feature is data memory in bytes. For PIC18 242 768 252 it is 1536, for 442 it is 768 byte, for 452 it is 15 and 1536 bytes. Then EEPROM in bytes, for for 242 it is 256, 252 256, 442 256, and the remaining 452 also 256. Then IO ports for 42 is ABC, for 252 also same ABC, and for last two, that is 442 and 52, are ABCDE. Then timers used in all the microcontrollers are 4, and the interrupt sources are 17 for 242 and 4 and 52, and for the last two the interrupt sources are 2. Then A to D converters for 242 and PIC 252 are 5 channel, and for the last two these are 8 channels. Then packages are 28 pin DIP for both 242 and 52, and for 442 and 452 the packages are 40 pin DIP package. Then low voltage detected for all these types of the PIC family. Also brownout reset is available for all the packets of the reset family. So microprocessor unit diagram is shown here. It consists of arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU, register and control unit. Then arithmetic logic unit it consists of W register plus minus working register, status register which stores a flag, instruction register. When instruction is fetched it goes into ID. Then it consists of registers. The band select register, that is a 4-bit register used in direct addressing the data memory. Also file select register, FSR, 16-bit register used as a memory pointers in indirect addressing data memory. And program counter, that is PC, for 21-bit register that hold the program memory address while executing program. So here diagram is shown, which consists of 21-bit address bus, 16-bit instructional data bus, and 12-bit address bus and 8-bit data bus. So it consists of the control unit, which has read and write lines. It also consists of the program memory and the data memory. It has ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, and the registers. Then it also consists of the control unit, which provide the timing and control signal to various read and write operations. Thank you.
Seventeen